Backend API, go back next. Backend API is in current application, user can sign up. This is a API. Backend application, user can sign in. After the sign in, user can reset the password. Or each of these story is a backend API. Developer need to develop it, and then the front-end developer need to consume it. I'm not going to read anymore. You guys can read more details. Can go next. Okay, so why we do this? Because the backend API, or you can call the business logic, that's exactly everything we do. So we are separating the front end and backend in order to actually make things robust, make things reusable, make things scalable, and also we are not putting everything on the same pocket. And that's how the modern application development work. You can read more details. I don't care, but my image, the way I did it, that's exactly you should know. This is the ChatGPT image. Look at this ChatGPT. If you can learn from the ChatGPT, I only can learn from here. None of you can learn from here because I know this image doesn't make any sense. But it has some value. What is the client request? Client request go to where is the number 2? And the client request backend endpoint, and the backend endpoint go to the database, which makes sense, right? My picture. And the database request sent to the web, the backend endpoint, and the backend endpoint, the response generation, and then what is number 6? And then the same way the client is getting it. So please do not learn from this picture. Learn from my picture. That's the one I wrote. I generated. It's much better. Okay, go next. Okay.